case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A landmark case centering on an intricate legal premise was decided by the United States District Court for the Western District of Virginia, as it contested the discoverability and protection of surveillance evidence. Known as Gutshall vs. New Prime Inc., this 2000 event tested the depths of Rule 26(b)(1), an edict outlining parties involved in a lawsuit have the right to request any relevant material within the case's purview. Unfolding this legal web, the plaintiff in the case pursued a lawsuit against the defendant, New Prime Inc., setting the stage with negligence and liability accusations. Here, the contested surveillance enters the frame when the defendant covertly monitored the plaintiff, yet withheld the acquired evidence. Challenging this secrecy, the plaintiff sought a court order to force New Prime to expose their surveillance findings. Determining the validity of this motion, the court faced the crux of the issue. Could the surveillance evidence be discovered under legal procedures and concurrently be protected by the attorney's work product doctrine? Weighing these parameters, the court arrived at a precedent-setting consensus. It held that surveillance evidence must fervently adhere to federal discovery rules, and thus is discoverable and can't be shielded by the work product doctrine. This meant a victory for the plaintiff, who saw their motion compelling the defendant to disclose the evidence granted. The judiciary didn't stop there. Echoing its earlier verdict, the court opined that defendant New Prime had to disclose their surveillance findings in compliance with Rule 26(e)(2). This ruling supported the plaintiff's petition for discovery responses. However, the plaintiff's plea to exclude this same evidence found themselves snubbed, as the court rebutted the request citing an absence of legal grounding. The case may have concluded, but the ramifications of this subtle dance between discovery rights and legal protections continue to resonate in the law's halls.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.